So hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, namaste, namaskar. This is me Muhammad Nasim. I'm gonna talk about in this video you can learn speak English without every single rupees. You can learn speak English without spending every single rupees. Yes, you heard absolutely right, because I also learn English language without spending any single rupees. So that's why I'm telling you. I also never ever join any coaching institute for learning English. So that's why I'm saying you, if you have passion, if you have motivation, if you have dedication, so you can learn each and everything with the help of you know, one of the most things of your life, self practice is the best way of life. And if you are able to speak English with yourself, so you can communicate with everyone. So you have to try to speak yourself again and again until and unless you are able to speak English fluently. You have to speak yourself again and again. And you know, if you don't have any environment to learn speak English, just you have to speak yourself in front of the mirror. This is the best part to learn speak English. So that's why I'm saying you, if you have a motivation, if you have dedication, so use this kind of method. I hope surely you will get some knowledge. I hope you will get benefits using this kind of method. Every English learner using this kind of method. So that's why I'm saying you. And you know, one more thing, everyone making excuses. I don't have any environment, I don't have any money, I don't have time, I don't have enough time, so how I can learn speak English. You know, everyone making excuses with ourselves. So that's why they are not able to speak English. If you have any sufficient time, at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever time you have, just you have to utilize yourself. At least you have 5 minutes in a day, just you have to practice 5 minutes at least, and daily basis you have to practice 5 minutes. I hope you will get a lot of knowledge after spending 5 minutes. But you have to always speak every day, so you will have to require every knowledge in English. And one of the best things that you have to use, there are 4 methods to improve your English speaking: listening, reading, writing and speaking. 4 are one of the best method to improve our English speaking. If you are doing 4 methods, so absolutely you can improve yourself. And you know, having a passion, having a determination, you can learn each and everything. And everyone are making excuses, I have no any money, and if I will join any coaching institute, so I can learn there easily. No any teacher can say you go to the market, buy one tablet, take one evening, one morning, after 10 days you will be fluent speak English. Is such a no tablet in the market available. It is totally depend on hard work, how much you are able to do work hard. If you are doing all these things, you will get fluency. But one more thing, I know very well you don't have any enough vocabularies and enough sentence to speak English more than, and whatever thoughts comes in your mind, you have to speak again and again. There is a good lines, making mistake is a part of life, but after that learn from your mistake. It is an art of life. We have to always learn each and everything with my mistakes. If I'm able to learn from my mistakes, so this is the best way of my English speaking. You know, everyone make mistake. Without making mistake, no one can improve our English. By using this method, keep learning, keep growing. I hope this video very helpful for you. If you like this video, follow for more and keep watching, keep going. And if I made any mistake, let me know in the comment box. Next time I will figure out them.